Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting fake nails. First, proper preparation is key for durability. Begin by thoroughly cleaning and dehydrating your natural nails. Next, gently buff the nail surface to create a slightly rough texture, which helps the fake nail adhere better. Finally, push back your cuticles and remove any excess skin to ensure a clean, even base for application. This foundational step can extend wear by several weeks. Once your nails are prepped, it is time for application. Apply a thin, even layer of nail dehydrator and primer to each nail, allowing it to air dry completely. Next, use a small, controlled amount of nail glue, carefully avoiding your cuticles. Position the fake nail precisely, then press it down firmly for about 10 to 15 seconds. This ensures a strong bond, preventing premature lifting and extending wear by many days. To further enhance durability, consider strengthening and sealing your fake nails. Apply a thin, even layer of builder gel or acrylic over the entire fake nail, which adds significant structural integrity. Remember to cap the free edge of the nail with your chosen top coat to prevent chipping and peeling. Cure each layer under a UV or LED lamp for the recommended time, typically 60 to 90 seconds, ensuring a hard, protective finish. Maintaining your fake nails properly is crucial for extended wear. Moisturize your cuticles daily with a nourishing nail oil to keep them flexible and healthy. Crucially, avoid using your nails as tools for prying or scraping, as this can cause lifting or breakage. Plan to refill or rebalance your nails every 2 to 3 weeks to address growth and maintain their pristine appearance, ensuring they last for many weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.